Excuse me, is this elevator going down?
Yes, it is. You can come in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Which floor are you going to?
The 8th floor. What about you?
The 5th floor.
Okay, I'll press 5 for you.
Thanks. That's very kind of you.
No problem.
Do you work in this building?
Yes, I work on the 8th floor.
Oh, really? What kind of work do you do?
I work for a small technology company. It's on the 8th floor.
That sounds interesting.
It is. What brings you here?
I'm here for a job interview.
Good luck with your interview.
Sure.
You're not sure?
That's the strange part.
What do you mean?
I received an email yesterday. It said I had an interview at this building today at 10 o'clock.
And
It didn't mention the company name.
that's unusual.
I thought so too.
Did the email give you the floor number?
Yes, it said, take the elevator to the 5th floor.
That's strange.
Why?
Because the 5th floor has been empty for months.
Then why would someone ask me to go there?
I don't know.
Maybe there's a new company there?
Maybe, but I haven't heard anything about it.
This is making me more nervous.
Don't worry. You can always check the directory when we get there.
Okay.
What was the name of the person who sent the email?
A man named Daniel.
Daniel what?
It only said Daniel.
Only Daniel?
Yes,
That's even stranger.
I know.
Did you call the number in the email?
I tried, but nobody answered.
Did you reply to the email?
Yes, I asked for more information.
What did they say?
They didn't reply.
And you still came here?
I almost didn't, but the email looked professional, and I really need a job.
I understand.
I also thought maybe the company was new.
That's possible.
You're making me feel better.
I'm just trying to understand the situation.
What floor are we on now?
We're on the 3rd floor.
It feels like this elevator is moving very slowly.
It usually isn't this slow.
Really?
Yes.
Look at the display.
What?
It says we're on the opening.
Wait.
What?
Don't step out yet.
Why?
Look.
Oh my God.
The hallway is completely dark.
Why are the lights off?
I told you this floor was closed.
But there's a light at the end of the hallway.
Yes.
Someone is there.
Where?
Near the window.
I can't see anyone.
Look carefully.
Wait. I think you're right.
Should we go out?
I don't think that's a good idea.
But my interview is supposed to be here.
Let's stay in the elevator for a moment.
Okay,
Press the door close button.
I'm pressing it.
Nothing happened.
What?
Press it again.
I'm trying.
The doors aren't closing.
Why aren't they closing?
I don't know.
This is really strange.
Stay calm.
I'm trying to stay calm.
Maybe the elevator is waiting for someone.
Nobody is coming.
I know.
Look at the hallway again.
The light is gone.
What?
You're right, it disappeared.
I don't like this.
Neither do I.
Maybe we should get out and find.
It says for Emma.
That's my name.
I know.
Open it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
There's a piece of paper inside.
Read it.
It says you shouldn't have come.
What?
That's all.
Nothing else?
Nothing.
This isn't funny.
I know.
Maybe someone is playing a joke on me.
Maybe
But who knows my name?
someone who sent you the email.
Daniel.
Exactly.
Maybe Daniel works here.
Then we need to find out who he is.
But the 5th floor is empty.
That's what makes this strange.
Could the email be fake?
It could be.
Then why did they know my name?
Maybe they found your information online.
Maybe.
Do you remember applying for any jobs recently?
Yes, I applied to several companies.
Did any of them have offices in this building?
One of them did.
Which company?
A company called Bright Future Solutions.
Bright Future Solutions.
Yes.
I've heard of that company.
Really?
Yes, but I thought they moved to another building last year.
Maybe they came back.
Maybe.
Can we go to the 8th floor?
Yes, we can ask the security desk.
Good idea.
I'm pressing 8.
The doors are closing.
Finally.
I'm glad we're leaving this floor.
Me too.
Wait,
What?
the elevator stopped again.
We're between floors.
Why did it stop?
I don't know.
The lights just went off.
Stay calm.
I'm scared.
It's okay. The emergency light is on.
Can you press the alarm button?
Yes.
Is it working?
I don't hear anything.
What?
The alarm isn't making a sound.
This can't be happening.
Take a deep breath.
I'm trying.
We need to stay calm and wait.
What if nobody knows we're here?
Someone will notice eventually.
Look at the display.
What?
It says 5.
That's impossible.
Why?
We were going to the 8th floor.
But the display says 5.
Yes.
Maybe we're going back down.
The elevator isn't moving.
Then why does it say 5?
I don't know.
I really don't like this.
Neither do I.
Listen,
What?
someone is talking outside.
I hear a voice.
Can you understand what they're saying?
No.
It sounds like a man.
Yes.
Maybe it's Daniel.
Maybe.
Should we call out?
Wait.
Why?
Let's listen first.
Okay.
I can't hear him anymore.
He stopped talking.
Maybe he walked away.
Or maybe he's waiting.
Don't think about that.
I'm trying not to.
The lights are back.
Thank goodness.
And the elevator is moving.
It's going up.
Yes.
The display says 6,
Good.
7,
We're almost there.
8.
We're here.
The doors are opening.
Stay close to me.
Okay.
The 8th floor looks normal.
There are people here.
Yes.
I feel much better.
Let's go to the security desk.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Where's the security desk?
It's around the corner.
Let's go.
Wait.
What?
Look at that wall.
What am I looking at?
The company directory.
Bright Future Solutions.
Yes.
It's listed here.
That's strange.
Why?
Look at the floor number.
5th floor.
Exactly.
But you said the 5th floor was empty.
It is.
Then why is the company still listed?
I don't know.
Maybe we should ask security.
Definitely.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Is Bright Future Solutions still in this building?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, they left more than a year ago.
Then why are they still on the directory?
The building manager hasn't removed the old sign yet.
What about the 5th floor?
It's closed.
Completely closed?
As far as I know.
Has anyone gone up there recently?
Not that I know of.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is getting stranger.
I agree.
What should I do about my interview?
Show the security guard your email.
Good idea.
What does it say?
It says, please arrive at 10 a.m., take the elevator to the 5th floor. Someone will meet you there.
Who sent it?
Daniel.
Is there an email address?
Yes.
What's the address?
It's a strange address.
How strange.
It doesn't end with the company's name.
Then it's probably not an official company email.
I think you're right.
You should delete it.
Maybe.
But first, let's find out who sent it.
How?
We can ask the security guard if there are cameras on the 5th floor.
There must be.
Probably.
Let's go.
Wait,
What?
did you hear that?
Hear what?
The elevator.
The elevator's moving again.
But nobody pressed the button.
Maybe someone called it from another floor?
Maybe.
Which floor is it going to?
Look at the display.
5.
Again.
It's going to the 5th floor.
Yes.
There's nobody inside.
How do you know?
The elevator doors are open.
You're right.
It's waiting.
That's strange.
Very strange.
Let's stay away from it.
Okay,
We should report this.
I agree.
Come on.
Wait,
What now?
I still have the envelope.
The one from the 5th floor?
Yes,
What does it say now?
I didn't notice this before.
What?
There's something written on the back.
What does it say?
It says, if you want to know the truth, come back at 10 tonight.
Don't go.
I wasn't planning to,
Good.
but I want to know who sent it.
You can find out without going there alone.
How?
We can report it to the building manager and the security team.
You're right.
Never follow a mysterious message to an empty floor.
That's probably the best advice I've heard today.
And don't worry, your job interview can happen another day.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I came here hoping to find a job.
And instead, you found a mystery.
Exactly.
Maybe that's enough excitement for one day.
Definitely.
Ready to leave?
Yes.
Let's take the stairs.
Why not the elevator?
After everything that happened today?
Good point.
Come on.
Wait,
What?
the elevator just opened again.
Don't look inside.
Why?
Because there's someone standing there.
What?
A man.
Is it Daniel?
I can't see his face.
He's looking at us.
Let's go.
Wait,
What?
he's holding something.
What is it?
An envelope.
What does it say?
I can't read it from here.
Don't go closer.
He's smiling.
Let's leave.
Okay,
Now.
I'm coming.
Don't look back.
I'm trying.
Just keep walking.
I can't believe this happened.
Neither can I.
Do you think we'll ever find out who Daniel really is?
Maybe.
And what was inside that envelope?
We don't know yet.
Maybe some mysteries are better left unsolved.
I think you're right.
Let's get out of this building.
Definitely.
And tomorrow?
Tomorrow you find a real job interview.
Agreed.
Somewhere without a mysterious fifth floor.
And without strange envelopes.
And without elevators that move by themselves.
Deal.
Then let's go.
Let's go.